I'm Chris Martin, and we're getting down to the brass tacks and hard facts of the NFPA 1962 flow test kit. The Elkhart Brass NFPA 1962 flow test kit is the perfect kit for doing your annual NFPA 1962 flow test, testing or evaluating equipment, or doing your in-service training. Inside the kit, you're going to have everything you need to do this effectively and accurately. To begin, you're going to have your EB500XD portable flow meter for registering accurate flows up to 500 gallons a minute. Next, you'll have a digital pitot gauge. The digital pitot gauge will give you very accurate readings down to the 10th PSI, ideal for pitoing any smoothbore tip. Lastly, you'll have 3 1.5" inline gauges and 3 2.5" inline gauges for measuring your friction loss in your hose and plumbing. Everything comes in this hard carrying case with laser etch cutouts, so everything has its place. The NFPA 1962 flow test kit is ideal for capturing accurate flows.